In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your online store currency in the Hosting a Website Builder in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make this quick yet thorough to ensure you're all set up properly. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. Simply open your browser and type in hostinger.ph to get started. Hostinger is a great platform for building your website, and today we'll specifically focus on managing a really crucial aspect, your store's currency. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner and you'll see a login button. Click on it and proceed to enter your login details. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger homepage, often referred to as the H panel. Now from your H panel homepage, look for the websites option in the sidebar menu. Clicking on it will take you to a list of your websites. This is where you can access all of your website projects. Find the website you wish to edit, the one where your online store is set up. Click on the Manage Store button next to the corresponding site. This step brings you closer to customizing the specifics of your store, including its currency. Next, turn your attention to the left side menu on your store's management page and click on Settings. This is the place where you typically adjust your store's configurations. By clicking on Settings, you'll see a range of options, but for today, we're honing in on Store Details. This section holds all the necessary information about your store, but most importantly, this is where you'll find the currency setting that we're looking to change. Inside Store Details, you should see an option labeled Currency. Click on this and you'll be presented with a list of available currencies. You'll want to select the one that best suits the primary market of your storefront. The currency you choose is important as it affects how customers perceive pricing and can even influence purchasing decisions. Once you've made your selection, ensure everything is saved before exiting. This might seem simple, but so crucial for a seamless customer experience on your site. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward process to ensure your store is synced with the right currency for your audience. Remember, it's these simple tweaks that can lead to a smooth shopping experience for your customers. As your business grows, regularly check and adjust these details according to your evolving needs and markets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online store.